Hi there. Are you a busy professional who's looking to build wealth in the stock market? Well, this is for you. Now, I recently had a conversation with someone and they were asking, when is the best time to invest, or how do you know you're ready to invest? Now, of course, for everybody, it's a little bit different. We always say we should start investing like 10 years ago. I mean, a lot of times I talk about compound growth. And of course, compound growth means you allowing your money to just grow over time, right? And so the longer you take to start, the less opportunity you're taking or less advantage you're taking of time. Okay. I always use this example. For instance, Warren Buffett, he started investing at 11. And so by the time he was 30, he was a millionaire. And then when he got to 94, he's over $120 billion worth in his investment account. Now, how do we get to that, right? So someone, let's say we're not investing at 11. If you're a busy professional, clearly you're not 11. But if you're not investing at 11, when is the best time to start? What if you have some debt and you have different things that you're taking, care of financially? When is the best time to start investing? That's really a great question. And so for me, I know I started investing when I had debt, but I had a plan of how to get out of that debt. And remember, I always talk about investing doesn't have to start with $1 million, right? Or 1,000 or 500, not even $100. You can start with 50, 25, 10, 20, whatever the case may be, whatever you can squeeze. Right. But of course, in order for you to find the money to invest, you have to first look at your budget. How are you spending your money? And I like to say, you can print out your bank statement or your credit card statement to kind of see, well, where's your money going? And so from there, you can kind of see, well, I'm buying too much Starbucks. Or I can cut this membership at the gym because I don't go anyway. And instead of spending, I don't know how much the gym membership is, let's say $19.99 a month, I can, let's say, put that $19.99 towards my investment, right? And so it's different for each person, but you can really find money to invest if you really want to. And so when we start in our investment course, we always look at where you can cut costs or cut spending when it comes to your finances so that you can find the money to invest. And so someone who might say, I have debt, right? Is this a good time? Do I need to cut off my debt and then invest? Well, one of the things that I've learned is if you wait too long or if you wait long, right, then your time, the compound growth that we continuously talk about, will not be able to mature, right? And so, of course, I'm not saying to forget your debt and invest. Not at all, right? You definitely have to come up with a plan to get rid of that debt, because if you are high in debt, then yeah, maybe not right now. And it depends on the type of debt that you have. If it's like your student loan, the interest isn't that high. Maybe you can come up with a slow plan to pay that off and still invest, right? Or if it's credit card debt, now that's a little bit different. And I can talk about different ways to eliminate debt and get rid of those credit card debts. There are different strategies that you can use, right? But if you really want to invest, I think, and especially to take advantage of compound growth, you really want to start. And like I said, it could be $10, $20, $30, $40. That wouldn't really make a big dent in the bank. I remember I was at a workshop and one of the participants, he said, you know what he said to me? He said, I thought I needed to buy like 100 shares in the stock in order to start. And I said, no, we can start with one. And depending on the brokerage account, you could start with fractional shares, right? So you really can start with $5, $10, $20, depending on the brokerage account that you open. So definitely don't wait too long. Don't wait for what people like to say the perfect time to invest. There's never a perfect time for anything. The perfect time really to start is yesterday or 10 years ago, today, now to start, okay? So that you can start taking advantage of compound growth and move your money forward, right? But also sit with someone and try to come up with a plan. In my investment course, we talk a lot about this. We start with a goal, right? To start with the goal, we talk about that limiting belief and your mindset, and then we move into finding the money to invest. And so I always say, whoever you're working with, make sure they understand your situation, right? Because of course, there's not a one size fit all when it comes to investing, but some of the things are really, self-explanatory, right? But in the event, right, you do want to make sure that you are starting to invest. That's really the meat of the matter that I'm talking about right now. So to answer the question, when is the best time to invest? It's now. It's yesterday. It's 10 years ago. Now, if you found this video helpful, thank you for watching this far. Please like, subscribe, and share the video, right? So you can get more information when we post our videos. You can get that ding ding notification. And of course, if you would like to join one of our free workshops, you can click the link below where we talk about the CPR investment strategies for busy professionals, so you can learn how to really grow your money over time, even when you're busy. Well, until next time.